In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve issues you're having with your network adapter by running the Windows troubleshooter. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Scrolling down, select update and security, and then select troubleshoot on the left panel. On the right side, select additional troubleshooters and then find and fix other problems. Just scroll down and select network adapter, find and fix problems with wireless and other network adapters and run the troubleshooter. And hopefully be able to resolve the issue on that. If you're still having an issue, you can open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result, you come back with command prompt, right click on it and then run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, once again exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your device. And then hopefully your issues should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.